So Daniela and I already arrived at the 1-bedroom standard view. It's part of the boardwalk villas, part of these here, the boardwalk. Here we have a
closet.
I think that Alice already jumped the screen.
Yes.
Hello, we have Donald and Huey, Dewey, Louie, and we forgot her name. We thought her, we forgot her name.
Oh my gosh, I have a plushie of her, I think.
Exactly, you do.
She's forgotten.
Anyway, full kitchen here. Kitchen has fridge, a full stove, microwave. It has just the amenities you need. That we gotta be cooking or wow, that's a big Keurig for coffee. I think Mama's gonna be interested in full sink.
Look at the counter space. Oh my gosh.
A table for 4, maybe 5. This room holds 4, so it should be for 4. Then you have
the bar stool.
The bar stool. I really think that they should have made this a 5-bedroom, and they should have put a little bed there. So
yeah.
The space is here. This is kind of weird because if you grab a deluxe studio, it holds 5 people, but then you grab this kind of room, it only holds 4, which is a larger room. So then we have the pull down bed. We'll pull that down later. But should we pull it down? Let's pull it down.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
See, can you push this?
Okay.
Let's see if Diana's been working out.
I have not.
You don't know what's out of fitness when you get back home.
It's natural fit. It's natural strength.
We're gonna have Malcolm train you. So
no, thank you.
I'm gonna bring this down for a minute, so just so you can see.
Father, the pillows.
Oh, it's a pillow. Yeah, man, that's the pillows. At least you took a video of it. Oh, this is really cute. So I'm not gonna pull it down completely. Maybe later I'll show a picture. But this is pretty cute. It's Donald thinking of him and Daisy in the carousel. That's cute. Different to other things is something I heard from other people. Oh, there is no way to plug anything in there.
Oh yeah.
So other pull-out bags Daniela uses them. So they have an area where you can connect your.
Yeah, there is like USBs over here.
Oh okay. Okay. So they have a USB-C and a regular. They have to USB-A, and then you have 2. Okay, so that's good enough to change things. And you can put it there instead of putting it there.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's a little cubby. And then what else? Give us the rest of the tour, yeah.
Then we have the washer and dryer.
There's one person in our family who loves washing. There's 2. One's not here yet, which is still Harry. And then
it's me. Then we have the shower.
The shower.
Look how big it is.
It's pretty big. Daniela obviously already petite, but if you're a big guy or a big person, or a big girl, you'd be able to fit in there comfortably.
Oh yeah.
And then we have 1 sink. And then we have a huge tub, chicken soaking. I might do that later. Another sink, and then this huge closet, which should have become the room. This is where I think they should have made this room for 5 people, because I think, well, they built this a while back, but I mean, who brings this amount of luggage for you? This to move in.
I know, right?
You would need a lot of DVC points to be able to use that cost of space.
Oh gosh, yeah.
And then here, the master bedroom, it's some decorations. We'll have Donald, all dapper. Ooh, Dapper Goofy.
Dapper Goofy, oh my gosh.
See over here.
You go.
They have these mirrors, and they have the phone, more mirrors. We have some USB outlets. You have another TV. It's Minnie and Mickey. You're going in front of the boardwalk. Or another chair. Is this a desk? It's weird, right? This one doesn't have a desk.
Yeah.
Like other rooms.
Well, I guess like the kitchen, the kitchen can be like a desk.
Yeah, you're right. Not
like the little island.
But I think, like, for example, if you say 1-bedroom Copper Creek, there is a little.
Yeah.
So then here, since this is a standard room, you have all the space in the balcony, but then the balcony is facing pretty much the parking lot and that little lake. Pretty private. You just want to relax. And the weather was better, but when it's almost 100 degrees.
Yeah, when it's like really hot like this, I am not going outside here.
That's the main reason we booked when we go to Animal Kingdom during December, so we can enjoy the animals and not be melting outside.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh.
So yeah, so that was a quick room tour. This is the 1-bedroom villa, and if you want to come and visit, you can go where? Where do you go?
The boardwalk?
Yeah, no, you go to laughinggear.com.
Oh yeah, laughinggear.com.
Oh, you gotta drive here, but
oh yeah.
Make your reservation first, then you go to laughinggear.com.
Yeah.
Or just send us a private message DM, and we'll be able to help you. All right.